In the middle there is a artificial plastic palm tree bought 20-30 years ago in Jakarta, Indonesia. And it started to behave like a real palm tree. These twigs detached here at the stem. Some 5 of them fell off or something. And I have been reattaching them here with little wire. You can get a good force if you twist the wire. So now it's time to put them back, and I think these leaves are a bit different. You see the far right down, that one is greener, so it's sort of newer, while the other one is a bit darker, and maybe an even darker number 3 from the right there. Okay, I'll try to sort them and put them back. It also needed some cleaning. It was sort of grayish from dust, which you couldn't easily dust off. I had to clean them with water and detergent.